How to watch movies on Netflix from other countries. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can watch movies on Netflix from other countries or how you can stream contents from other countries. Now to do so is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you. First, what you want to do is head into your App Store or Play Store and then search in for VPN. Now VPN is virtual private network, so search for it and you'll get varieties of options or choices. You can select any one. In my case I'll just select Turbo VPN right here that you can see I've already downloaded and installed it. You might want to download and install and open it up first. Now once you open it up, what you want to do is grant it all the permissions and you'll get an interface like this. Tap to connect. However, you'll get an option to select a particular server. In this case, in this app, here you can see the earth or circle icon at the top right corner just beside the crown icon. Tap on it and you'll see varieties of countries and options here. Now select the country that you want to watch content from. I'll just select Canada here and you can see there are two free servers and one is premium one. You can always buy a premium one if you want to, but here I'll just connect with the free one. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to connect it. Once you tap on it, it'll start connecting and you can see it's connected. And once this happens, you can head into your Netflix and then stream the content from that particular country. So this way you can watch movies on Netflix from other countries. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.